Lab Tech Show, Tallboy Live, CES. We are here on the showroom floor at Eureka Park at CES 2024. And I got a company that has a smart case that has a detachable and wearable camera. That's right, I said detachable and wearable camera. And Demita, she's gonna tell us all about how this technology works and why it's so cool for content creators.
Yes, thank you for that. So again, here is our smart case. As you can see here, it's on the phone. You slide it right on off. It has that 180-degree hinge where you can just prop that kickstand up. So it's detachable and it's wearable. You can slide it onto a blouse. It also has a magnetic necklace that comes along with it where you can wear it and everyone can see your point of view. And why? Because your point of view matters, right? So it syncs to your phone by Bluetooth connectivity. It goes to a completely separate cloud, so it's not taking up the storage on your phone. It records up to audio up to 50 feet, so you don't have to stand right up on it. It's going to change the way content creation is made. No more selfie sticks, no more bulky GoPros. All you need is your Domino. You can slide it in your pocket if you need to, right?
Okay, so I got to ask, what is the quality of the coverage? Is it 720? Is it 1080? Is it 4K? What kind of quality are we talking about with this detachable camera?
So for our camera, it is 4K resolution. For your streaming, it's going to be 1080p on a streaming, and you will get multi-angle views. So while you're streaming from your Domino, you can stream separately from your device as well and get that good quality.
All right, so y'all didn't hear this. It's a detachable and wearable camera that you can put on your person. She said it not only records up to 4K, but it also does live streaming. Did I get that right?
That is correct. You can live stream not only from the Domino, but from your smartphone as well simultaneously.
Okay, so everybody's going to say, how much does this cost? And where can we find it? Tell us.
Okay, you can find us two places. You can go to our website. Again, that's mydomino.com. Hit buy now. It'll take you to our Kickstarter campaign that we just launched 2 days ago. You can buy it, and it's a special deal for you. So it's normally $4.99. We slashed that price for $3.99 just for you.
Okay, so you said it's 180 degrees. So basically, I can have this on the back of the case. So just lay the phone down and then put the camera up. And then if I would just want to put it on my persons, do you have something? How does it stay on my persons? Am I hooking it to something?
Let's check this out. Let's get our CEO over here to give us a little demonstration. Come on.
Yeah, we want to see how Domino works. Okay.
Right. You have the cell phone case right here. So this is the whole Domino, right? So you're going to remove your Domino off your cell phone case. You can place it on your person. And as you can see, I'm watching everything you guys are watching. Right?
In real time.
In real time. Now let's get interesting. You can actually touch the camera part right here and actually see everything that's going on this camera and this camera at the same time. So you have two audios, two visuals, downloaded, editing made easy. Can't go wrong with that.
All right, so my man, he didn't slid in here, and we didn't see him coming out the back corner. His name is Johnson, and Johnson's saying, hey, you can live stream, but just imagine, use case would be like for a doctor or something like that.
Oh yes, yes. So let's say you have a doctor, right? You have a doctor appointment, which is telemedicine nowadays. So you actually let's make this easier. So you put it on the phone on the ground, and instead of doing all this right here, you can go ahead and you can actually show what's going on the camera.
So your phone is using its regular camera, correct, but then you have the Domino that's just sitting on the actual table or on the stand, correct, and then it will do all of the measures that you needed to do to show the doctor whatever it needs to do.
That's exactly right. And if you get stopped by the police, Lord forbid, you place it on your person, you put your phone down, and guess what? I have nothing in my hand. I can record you just like they're recording me. No problem things.
So I'm coming back over to Demita. I got Johnson. Tell us, what was the idea and the concept behind all of this?
Okay. So a few things for me. One, I have a 15-year-old daughter that loves creating content. That's number one. And number two, the personal safety aspect. I think about trafficking. I think about school shootings. This is a consumer body cam right here. My daughter can clip this on her backpack and hold her phone, and I can see both points of view to make sure she's getting where she needs to go get safe and there's no attackers. So that's huge for me.
That's big. All right. And then you were saying your persons, for people that are worried about the police doing something crazy, talk to that matter.
So this all became from the Mike Brown situation, right? Had something that I actually wanted to say about the Mike Brown situation, and while I was sitting there, I was trying to record myself. When I was trying to record myself, phone kept on falling. So I got upset and said, well, this doesn't make any sense. Why can't the camera come off the phone? And bam, Domino came into play. So now you can actually do what you need to do and have a body cam just like they do. And they can also use Domino because everybody's point of view matters at the end of the day. And we're trying to connect the dots one domino piece at a time.
One domino piece at a time. I like that. Where can they find you once again?
You can go to our website or go straight to Kickstarter. But the website is mydomino, mydomono.com. Hit that buy now link. Get it right now for $3.99 while it is on sale. And check out our merch right here. See the world your way.
She over there plugging merch, y'all. Always with you. Capture the moment. It's Domino. It is CES 2024, the Lab Tech Show. Tall boy, we're out of here.